Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So ito yung reading natin for Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Don't forget, i-like na rin yung isa nating channel, Air Sign Philippines, guys. Ayan. Since Libra is an air sign. Let's start. This is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. One last shuffle. Okay, thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. For the sign of Libra, kunin muna natin yung main energy mo. Four of Spades. Pasensya ka na pag nagagalaw ko yung yung stand. Kasi yung mismong stand medyo wiggly siya talaga eh. Queen of Diamonds and Queen of Clover. Two of Hearts is at the bottom of the deck. Ten of Spade. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng you're going through breakup or separation. Yung iba pwedeng nangyari na to. Yung iba papunta pa lang doon. Mangyayari pa lang. But you're the Queen of Diamonds and the Queen of Clover. Wala akong nakikitang mali sa'yo eh. Parang, actually, you have a lot of things na kayang i-offer eh. And with the Four of Spade here, I feel like yung iba sa inyo, wala kang magagawa regarding dito. No? Sa separation na to. If you're in a relationship. So, yung iba, pwedeng, pag nangyari siya, tuloy-tuloy. No? You cannot stop this from happening. It could be yung person na kakonect mo, siya yung mag-e-end ng relationship sa inyong dalawa. And yung iba kasi nangyari na guys, so take only what resonates. Sino to person na kakonect mo? Yeah, yung iba may marriage na involved guys. Three of Spade, Seven of Clover, and the Five of Hearts. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. So, itong person na to, nakikita natin na sasaktan siya, but I feel like there's a third-party situation. Okay, kaya nangyayari itong separation or ending na ito. Well, hindi ko masabi kung kaninong side galing yon. If it's because of this is your side or your side niya, whatsoever. Pero itong separation na ito, it's happening because with the Seven of Clover, parang ito yung pinili talaga ng person na ito eh. Kumbaga parang, kumbaga sa isang sasakyan, parang siya yung nakaupo sa driver's seat. So kung ano yung kahinatnan ng connection na ito ay depende sa kanya. Okay? And yung separation, siya yung may gusto nun or siya yung nagdesisyon na regarding dito. And tell me about the emotions sa isa't isa. You do have the Eight of Hearts and the Two of Clover. Emotion sa isa't isa. Jack of Spade is here, and the Eight of Clover. Clarify the Eight of Clover, please. Three of Clover is here. Well, I hate to say this, but yung iba sa inyo pwedeng ito personalize somehow materialistic, no? And tinitignan niya kung ano yung benefits niya sa person na kakonect niya. And it feels like meron siyang makikitang benefits with regards dun sa new person na kakonect niya, especially financially. And ikaw, I feel like you love the person. Meron kang mga plano, kung hindi man sa inyong dalawa, sa iyo mismo, no? Sa ikaw. Meron kang mga plano ngayon sa buhay. And itong person na to, mas nakikita pa nga natin siya sa gabal sa mga plano na yon. And you're dealing with someone who is very immature. So, kung nag-end man yung sa inyong dalawa, it feels like itong person na to, siya yung may kasalanan dito sa koneksyon at sa relasyon na ito. So, what will happen in the near future for you, Libra? For the sign of Libra. Two of Hearts, Ace of Diamonds, Three of Diamonds, and Ten of Diamonds. I can see money, growth, at saka new person, new love, new relationship para sa'yo. Actually, ito, parang advice na rin siya with the Queen of Spade na i-cut off mo na yung person na to. You no longer need this person. May mga new person tayo na dadating sa buhay mo. And this person no longer serves you. Parang nakuha mo na yung mga lessons na dapat mong matutunan sa kanya. Wala na siyang, you know, you do have your angel number 444. As long that you are stable, okay na yun eh. Stable ka na, hindi mo na siya kailangan. Iba sa inyo, you are already stable. You are the Queen of Diamonds and the Queen of Clover. You don't know, you don't need a king. Okay, hindi mo kailangan ng king because you can handle everything smoothly by yourself. Kaya mong i-handle lahat ng mga bagay, sitwasyon sa buhay mo ngayon nang mas maayos pa nga eh. Kasi mas makakapag-decide ka ng maayos dahil wala na itong person na ito. And also the Ten of Clover is here. So this is an ending. Lahat ng responsibility ngayon ay kaya mo naman mag-isa. Hindi mo na kailangan itong person na ito. And of course, the Six of Spades is here. Just move on. Okay, move on with your life. May mga better opportunities na darating para sa'yo. And ang nakakapagpagulo pa nga para hindi mo makuha or makamit agad itong mga ito ay dahil sa person na ito. So, allow change to happen. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and